Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the another important topic of your curriculum, that is the menstruation cycle. As you people are knowing, the menstruation cycle is pre-reproductive phase of every girl. Okay, it is a preparative phase for the reproduction process. It includes several phases. Basically, 4 phases are there, and the timing quite differ and it may change. Okay. The first day of menstruational bleeding is known as your phase 1 of the cycle, and it lasts anywhere from 3 to 8 days, but maximum, or you can say that average, 5 days it is having. 4 phases are there, children. The first phase is your menstruational phase, second one is your follicular phase, third one is your ovulation phase, and the fourth one is your luteal phase. The first one is your menstruational phase, as it is going to be further carried out by the luteal phase, and after every that 14 days, then there is a regression of corpus luteum and decline in estrogen and progesterone. As you people are knowing that in human body, that 2 types of hormones are going to be produced, that is estrogen and progesterone. Other than that, so many hormones are there, okay, but these 2 plays an important role in the menstruational cycle. Next, children, it also helps in the contraction of endometrial arterioles, and slowly what will happen, it will show the shading of the particular layer of the cells, and it causes bleeding. Okay, children. Here, prostaglandin or that particular smash are included there, and they will show a uterine contraction, and by the help of that, menstruational flow is going to be carried out. Next one, see children, ovarian cycle, that is follicular phase. This is the second phase, and it carries 9 to 14 days. It increases the follicle size, and it will consist of a fluid inside it, and known as your anterum. After that, what happens, children? This will form the primary follicle. Later, it will mature to form the secondary follicle, and after that, when the ovule is going to be burst in the ovulation phase, it will form that the excreta will be known as your corpus luteum, that we will see later. Okay, children. Then, oocyte occupies ancentric position, and it carries 2 to 3 layers of granulosa cells. Here, at this point, the estrogen hormone will be increased at its highest peak, and here what happens, there is a restriction number of follicle maturing period is going to be carried out. Next one, proliferating phase. In this phase, after the follicular phase of ovarian cycle, the endometric cells is again regeneration from last menstruation cycle, and what it will go for the formation of the parallel layer of certain cells. It is a preparatory phase, you can say that. Then luteal phase, it carries 15 to 28 days, and it is a reminder period, and the ovary penetrate of capillaries, and it will form the fibroblast, that is again it will make the endometric layer a thick and this particular portion stiff for the next menstruational phase. Okay, children. Here in luteinizing phase, corpus luteum formation, and the major source of sex hormone will be estrogen and progesterone. 2 types of hormone, as I said, that plays very important role, children, and in this point it will be increased at highest peak. As you people are knowing, during the shading of the particular endometric layer, these hormones are going to be dissociated. See children, this is one particular graph. In this graph, it had been shown about the different phases. As you can see, this is ovarian cycle. The first one, small ovary is there, then it will enlarge, then ovulation phase, ovary will be excreted out, that is the ova will be excreted out, and at that point, what happens, the different hormone levels are going to be increased and decreased. As you can see, the black color is your progesterone, pink color is your luteinizing hormone, blue color follicle stimulating hormone, and your light grayish type color, that is your estrogen hormone. So these 4 hormones plays important role during the menstruational phase. Okay, children. Then this is your uterine cycle. The first one is your mens, then proliferative, then secretory. These three phases are there. And the last important phase is your ovulation phase. Now see children here, that 4 phases. The first one is your menstruational phase. As I said, it carries in average 5 days, but in some cases it may be increased up also, that it may carry by 8 days also. Then in follicular phase 6 to 10 days, again the walls will be thickened. Then in ovulation phase, the ovary is preparing itself to develop the ova. Then last phase, that is uterus line, is continuing to thicken. Again the endometric layer will be becoming thickened because it have to do the shading process. During this phase only children, what happens? If there is a copulation with the sperm, then they will go for the pregnancy period. That I will tell you. See here again in this figure, the endometric layer shades. During the shading it will become thin. Again when it will become preparatory phase, during that time it will again become your thicken. It will be little bit thickened layer. Okay children. From period starts up till the period ends, that particular one is your thin layer. After that it will become thickened. Then the body temperature may vary 36 to 36.5 or 37. That is normal body temperature only. The level of hormone after the shading of the endometric layer, it will be increased up during your second phase. Okay, which hormone? The estrogen hormone. And progesterone hormone during the preparatory phase and luteinizing phase, it will be increased up. Okay children. And luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, that will be increased by the day 5th to day 14. That is in the second stage they will be increased up before ovulation. When the ovulation will be carried out, during that time it will be increased up. Okay children. Then see children, what is your menophase? Menophase is the period where the particular organism is going to complete its menstruation cycle. That is, mostly in Indian women, it will be vary from 40 plus. That is, above 40 age women will go for this process. And the menarche is the place where the particular child will start showing your particular menstruation cycle. Okay children. So this menophase is divided into 3. The first one is your pre-menophase, then menophase, then your post-menophase. So menophase, you can say that the point at which the particular girl will start doing that, what? The menstruation, that is the menarche. And the menophase, what all points are there? Hot flashes, night sweat will be there. These all are the points. At that point, what happened? The woman will stop going for the menstruation phase. Okay children, I hope you people had understood this menstruational cycle. It is very important. Last year in board exam they had asked about it. So prepare very well for this particular topic. Write the notes very well. Okay children, just take care.